1. 3 golden rules. Who is helping you, don't forget them. Who is loving you, don't hate them. Who is trusting you, don't cheat them. 2. All differences in this world are of degree, and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. 3. Always try to represent yourself as happy. Initially, it becomes your look, gradually it becomes your habit, and finally it becomes your personality. 4. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject it as poison. 5. Bless people when they revile you. Think how much good they are doing by helping to stamp out the false ego. 6. Comfort is no test of truth. Truth is often far from being comfortable. 7. Desire, ignorance, and inequality, this is the trinity of bondage. 8. Do not hate anybody, because that hatred which comes out from you must, in the long run, come back to you. If you love, that love will come back to you, completing the circle. 9. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. 10. The fire that warms us can also consume us, it is not the fault of the fire. 11. Truth can be stated in 1,000 different ways, yet each one can be true. 12. When you are doing any work, do it as worship, as the highest worship, and devote your whole life to it for the time being. 13. Everything is easy when you are busy. But nothing is easy when you are lazy. 14. Be the servant while leading. Be unselfish. Have infinite patience and success is yours. 15. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live and travel far. 16. Believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet. 17. Have faith in yourself, all power is in you. Even the poison of a snake is powerless if you can firmly deny it. 18. Have faith in yourselves, great convictions are the mothers of great deeds. 19. Talk to yourself at least once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. 20. All knowledge that the world has ever received comes from the mind. The infinite library of the universe is in our own mind.